Hello.
So welcome to Music at Charter. We would like to introduce ourselves and our departments. So my name is Miss Air. I've been teaching for 7 years. This is going to be my 3rd year at Charter. I was born in Thailand and I like traveling, diving, which I just got the license, and I like singing with the Zing Choir.
Hi, my name's Mr. Simon. I'll be teaching Year 6. I was born in the UK and have been teaching for 14 years, and I'm really excited to start my 5th year here at Charter. I love cooking vegan food and conducting Miss Air in Zing Choir. So one of the best ways that you can contact us is by email, and we have our email addresses on the screen there. You can also use Google Classroom if you're in Year 4 to 6. You can do it via the homeroom teacher, or come and see us.
So each class will have music twice a week, and the main areas in the music curriculum are performing, composing, listening, and analysis and theory. So this year, Year 2 to 4, you will get a chance to begin your recorder class. You need to get one from the school shop if you don't have it. And Year 5, we will continue your recorder lessons, and also we will start some ukulele units.
And in Year 6, we move on to some band instruments, so the students will have a chance to play the bass, the guitar, the drums, and the keyboard, and we'll get you on stage performing too. We're also really proud of our world music units, and all students in the primary school get the chance to listen to music from all around the world and in different styles. We have movement and percussion for the early years and Key Stage 1, and of course, lots and lots of singing. So there are many ways you can support your child in music as well. One of the best ways is to listen to them when they're practicing instruments or songs that we're learning in class.
So you can talk about the songs that you listen together when you're driving or at home, when you listen to the radio or Spotify, YouTube or iTunes. And you can ask them some questions about music that you're listening to. Like, this is just a few example, and yeah, you can talk about it together.
Yeah, and another great way is to share some of your favourite songs. Songs from when you were younger, or from in different languages and different styles, so that your child can hear as many different types of music as possible. We encourage you to attend concerts at school when we're allowed to have an audience, and also check out for some live music events all around Bangkok.
We encourage your child to have a private music lesson outside the school or the club if you can have one, and because the musical skills that they have learned in the music lesson are very helpful and very useful for them. So just please email me if you need any recommendations.
So, all that's there to say is we are so excited to see you face to face rather than have to do some distance learning.
So we are looking forward to another fantastic year of Music at Charter. See you soon!
Bye!
Bye!